Hello everyone, can you hear me? Today I will start a quick intro to Python. I myself am a student at Grand Canyon University for data science, and I use Python to do a lot of my data analysis. However, here I will show you how to make a very basic Python file. So we open a notebook, a Jupyter notebook, and then here we're going to say uh, the following code will add two numbers. So we're going to say print, then we're going to have 1 plus 1, and we should get the result. If we click go, after we select our environment, there it goes too. Now, to make it fancier, we can say A equals 1 and B equals 1. So we can have print the the sum of A and B is, there we go, A plus B. So when we hit run, there we go, the code, the sum of A and B is 2. Okay. Next, we'll do it with a function. We'll call it function sum, or we'll just call it sum, equals A plus B. Then we'll just replace that with sum, so that when it prints it, here, I'll show you that I am doing it too. So Python is capable of doing all general cases mathematics. So I can do the following code will divide two numbers and multiply as well. So we open a new code snippet. Here we have A equals 10, B equals 5. So we do product equals A times 5. So print the product of A and B is, and then we're gonna quotient A divided by 5, A divided by B. So we can say print the quotient of A and B is quotient, and here on top we forgot to say product. So when we print it, notice that when we multiply uh, A times B, so let's start that again to show you from scratch. There we go. And then Python can do matrix operations as well. So we do A equals, we'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll add, we'll say B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So now when we add sum A plus B, print the sum of A and B is, so, oh, it's a markdown. Let's change it to code, and we'll see that it combines it into a bigger matrix, because this is a list or a series, one of those two. So we actually need to convert those into data frames. So we can say A equals import pandas as PD. So now is PD dot data frame A. So that'll turn that into a data frame. B equals PD dot data frame. That'll turn that into a data frame. So if we try to do the same operation, the sum of, so we're just going to copy and paste it. Oh, Control C, Control V of A and B is, and then sum. Now let's clear the outputs and restart so that we can show from scratch. There we go. Um, oh, I'll call it data frame sum in here. Data frame sum. And let's run that. slash n. Here we go. This is, notice how it adds 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8. So now we can just multiply, print a scalar, let's say a scalar, a vector scalar, so 2 times data frame sum, and you can see here, let's give it a name, a scalar of 2, and matrix multiplies 2 with every value of the matrix as shown below. And we'll do slash n here, comma, and when we do here, restart, there we go. We took our previous operation. Here, let's do another slash n so that we can have extra space. There we go. Right, and that was a very quick intro on Python and how to do